Mastering Graphical Representations in GRE's Quantitative Reasoning. Hello, English learners and GRE aspirants. Today, we are diving deep into the world of graphical representations in the data analysis section of the GRE's Quantitative Reasoning. Understanding how data is visually represented can be both intriguing and vital for scoring high. Let's get started. Graphical representation refers to the use of graphs or charts to showcase data. This visualization helps in understanding complex data sets, observing patterns, and making decisions. For the GRE, it's essential to interpret these graphs accurately and answer questions based on them. The most common types are line graphs, bar graphs, pie charts, and scatter plots. A line graph displays data points connected by straight lines. It's primarily used to show how a single data set changes over time. When you see a line graph in the GRE, look for trends, increasing, decreasing, or steady, and any sharp changes or anomalies. Example: imagine a line graph showing the sales of a company over 12 months. If the line moves upwards, sales are increasing. If downwards, sales are decreasing. Bar graphs use bars of varying lengths to show quantities or numbers of different categories. They can be vertical or horizontal. For GRE, you'll often need to compare quantities or determine specific values from the height or length of the bars. Example: suppose there's a bar graph displaying the number of books sold in different genres. A tall bar in the mystery category indicates more sales in that genre compared to a shorter bar in romance. Pie charts represent data in a circular format, with each slice of the pie showing a particular category's percentage or proportion. On the GRE, you might have to calculate percentages or determine which category has a larger or smaller proportion. Example: imagine a pie chart displaying the market share of different smartphone brands. If brand A occupies a larger slice, it has a bigger market share. Scatter plots display data points on a two-dimensional plane. Each point represents an observation with two values, one on the x-axis and the other on the y-axis. In GRE, scatter plots are often used to determine relationships between two variables, whether they are positive, negative, or neutral. Example: a scatter plot might show the relationship between hours of study and test scores. If the points tend to rise together, there's a positive correlation. Graphical representations, with all their varieties, are crucial for visually understanding and interpreting data. As you prepare for the GRE's Quantitative Reasoning section, remember to practice reading these graphs carefully and extracting valuable insights. Best of luck with your GRE preparation, and we hope this video brought some clarity to graphical representations.